Hello everybody, and today I'm not gonna wear this shirt. I don't think it's appropriate for this video. It's almost my birthday. I need to throw on my pug shirt. Okay, are you ready? It's a magic trick. 3, 2, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I missed terribly. Let's try this again. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at this! I'm in it. I'm gonna get murked soon. I hope. Hopefully. I think I'm just gonna get a shirt and then, please. Sam. Best merch ever. So guys, today I'm gonna show you my bird. I have a pet bird. I'm gonna go get it. Okay? So guys, this is my bird. Her name is Zoe. Look how good the bird is. Good birdie. So guys, that's my bird. Okay. Now get off. Get off. Time to get into the real video. So guys, as you know, I did a 30 subscriber special. Thank you for that. And I actually went outside today. It's a special. I'm just kidding. I didn't go outside today. Got you. I'm in my closet now. Okay, anyways, I know you saw me going up here. So, I actually been thinking. It's about to be my birthday. Yay. Yay. Okay, and so whenever my birthday does come, I'm gonna get a new bed. Do you want to see my newbie bed? Yeah, I know you do. So guys, here's my bed. I'm about to get a bigger bed that's off the ground. It's up there. Oh no. What happened? Oh yeah, I have a bunch of 3D stickers. I don't know why. Computer! So, yeah, I'm gonna get a bigger one. So, expect to see videos down there. It's gonna be right here. I'm gonna have an Xbox down there and also my computer. As I am not bragging, this is all coming from relatives. This is the only thing I'm gonna get for my birthday, and also a new computer charger. So that's it. And then a small gift from my sister. That's it. But whenever my birthday does come, hopefully I don't get hurt by hitting my toe on some stupid things down there. And I just realized that it's so light outside. What time is it? Seriously. 7:56 at my time. What is that? And guys, I'm sorry for not uploading any computer video. I know that you like it, but you're not gonna get it. Yeah. So guys, what I've been thinking is time to draw things on me. Yeah, I look beautiful. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, and I forgot the most important part. The goatee. Oh my god. Stupid. That's better. Okay, now that I look beautiful. I'm looking in my mirror right now. Oh, beautiful. Wait, do you think I have room for a unibrow? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna wash this off after. But first, I need to. But first, I need. Okay, guys. Anyways, after my fabulous self, I'm just gonna talk about why I'm not Okay, guys, can I tell you something? Some of these videos that I'm uploading, I have no idea what I'm doing. I have not planned it out. I'm just like, I want to make a YouTube video. And yeah. Okay. That's much better now. So, I think that's erasable. I can write it on a whiteboard and it doesn't go away. I mean, it does go away. Can I? Oh my god, it went away. Okay. I'm beautiful. Now, let's add this back. Okay, this is only for the video. Now, guys, I want to tell you why I'm not uploading. On my computer thing. I have too much things on my computer. Okay. Oh my god. So now it's time for Alright, guys. I'm gonna go get this off my face, okay? Yeah. Okay, hey guys. So I know that we're back, and I want to show you a new fidget spinner that I got. $20 likes and I'll give this away. That'll never happen. So I'm never gonna give this away. Ha ha ha. But 20 likes and I'll give this. No. 30. 31. Yeah, 31. If we hit 31 likes, I'll give this away. With the case. Because if we. No, 32 for the case with it. If we hit 32 likes. Boom! A metal fidget spinner in a case. Better hit that like button. And I think I just... Oh my god, yep. Ow! This always happens to me. Okay, guys. So, I know what you're thinking. So yeah, what I was saying is, I know what you're thinking. Why am I doing a giveaway at this level? I'm not. That actually isn't a giveaway. Unless if we get 32 likes. Okay. So, you see this magnet? I'm gonna sign it. And if you want to enter. Okay. Sam XD. So, if you want to enter, just proving that I'm signing it, and then no. It's erasable. Guys, I'm gonna be right back with something back. A Sharpie. Okay. I'm gonna go over here. No, I'll do it on my bed. I'm tracing it first. Who cares about tracing? Wait. Sam? Okay. If you want to win this, it says Sam, and then there's a line, and it says hi. You gotta like this video, subscribe, then also you have to say, and then you can hit that little bell. Okay, this is what you need to do. Like, sub, I almost said share. I don't want to share. Like, sub, and comment done. If you do that, you're entered. Yay! If no one does this, it's going away. I thought that I could be so cool and land that. So if you do that, I'll give that away with a card. Should I go make the card? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, guys. This took me so long to, not that long. Boom. Open. Whenever you went, it says, you have won Sam's giveaway. You now get a shout out. Hope you get stumped. Bye. Now let me add one more thing. Here's the thing. And I'm gonna also write something else that you don't get to see. So. Oh yeah, guys. For a disclaimer, if you do win, kind of place a lot of tape on the magnet. Oh yeah, guys. Remember, this is a magnet. Got it? Now I'm gonna probably you'll find that in like 2 to 3 years, so peace! Really thought I would end it there, huh? Well, I am. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. Comment done. And I have to check if I get more subscribers. And also, remember, I can check my subscribers and I can see if you're there. If you're not there, that means I'm not entering you. So, see you guys in the next video. Okay. And guys, these are going to be drawn randomly. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to place like these scraps of paper. I'm going to have your name on it. Fold them up. Place them in like a bowl or something. Mix them up. And then that's it. So anyways, guys, remember to enter my giveaway. You win a magnet that has my signature. Not really my signature, but I'm trying to remember who was the smartest in my class. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.